guys, I know it's been forever since I made a video, but I'm back. I'm back because I'm starting a new journey. Sorry, I'm moving my camera so I can get my light in perfectly. And I'm really I'm recording from my phone, and this is my first time doing this, and I don't know exactly where to look. But anyway, so I'm back, and I'm going to record my new journey. So I don't know if you guys remember, or did I ever put it up? Like, I made a video before of my sister-lock journey of the consultation, but that was a while ago. So I don't know if I put that video up. Anyway, today is the day I'm going to get my sister-locks installed. I'm so excited. It's been a long wait. And today's the day. So I want to record my journey and take you guys along with me, and tell you my experience and how everything is going and how it went and what just everything. So right now I'm just sitting outside waiting for my appointment. My appointment is at 9 o'clock, and I actually got here a little early because I didn't know how traffic was going to be, because it's like 45 minutes from my house. So I didn't know how traffic was going to be. So I ended up coming. I got here at about 8:23 or something like that. 8:22. And right now it's 8:32. So, but yeah. So I'm just sitting here, and y'all, I'm so sleepy. I'm so sleepy. But yeah. This is the day, and this is my hair. I just gotta pull back, and I'm nervous, but I'm excited, because I'm just curious to see how they're gonna turn out. I know they say, like, the beginning is it's a process, and you have to wait and let your hair mature and things like that. So I'm just waiting. I'm excited to see how it's going to turn out, because I have like some problem areas at the top of my hair, that I've been experiencing for a while and trying to get a handle of. So we'll see. We'll see how that works. But overall, I'm very excited about it because it's been a long time. I had my first consultation November of last year, and when I went there, she was like, she wanted me to let my hair grow out a little bit more or whatever. Well, the top. She wanted the top to grow out a little bit more. And so we waited. Then I met back up with her in January, and we're still having little issues. And so fast forward to today, we have an appointment now. But I'm excited. I'm excited, guys. And I don't know what to expect, but I'm just praying for goodness. And, I'm just praying for a good experience, because it's been a lot going on. But, we'll see. We will see. I'm not sure how. I know she said that it's from 9 to, I can't remember if she said 5 or 6. But I'm not sure how the breaks are gonna go. Like, if we take a break or how long the break is. I'm not 100% sure. So if I do have a break, depending on how long it is, I will come back. Excuse me. and show you guys more, or update you guys on what's going on and all that jazz. But overall, I'm just excited and just waiting till 9 o'clock. Actually, I might go in there like, I don't know if she's already in there. Maybe not. I just seen someone walk in there. So I don't even know if she's here. But, we will see. I don't know. So, wish me luck, guys. I'm excited. And, yeah. I know I have to give you guys an update on what's been going on in life. Hasn't been really any bad things. Of course, you already know everybody's going through the whole COVID thing. But, yeah, I just have to come back and give you guys an update on life. And I'm excited to take you guys along with my Sisterlock journey. And right now I'm going to be recording on my phone until I buy a new camera. I have a camera, but it's very old. So, yeah, I'll just, and a lot of people recording their phone nowadays anyway. But so we'll see. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna end this video right now because I don't want to keep rambling on, and I will come back later and let you guys know how things are going, and that's about it. So don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and yeah, join the fam bam. Yeah, so I thought I was about to say something, but then it just left my mind. Anyway, so I'm gonna let you guys go, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm back, and oh my god, look at that. My forehead is so shiny. So we're taking a break right now. This is my hair. But this is what we getting done. I'm so excited. I'm happy. I'm excited about it. Can't wait till we're done. This is like my problem area up here. But we're gonna work with it. Anyway, but yeah, I just wanted to come on here and give you guys a quick update. We started at like 9:35 and took a break at 1. So yeah, I will see you guys on the next break, or when we're gonna go home. I don't know. We will see. All right, bye. Hi guys, so I'm back. I'm home now, and it is almost 7 o'clock. Not quite 7 o'clock yet. She stopped doing my hair at 5:30, and this is how much she's done. This is that side, and this is this side. So far, I'm loving it. And she got this side. She got this to do tomorrow, and then finish my top area, which is my problem child. But yeah. So this is what we have so far. Everything's good right now. I have no issues, no complaints or whatever. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow on day 2. And yeah, I don't know how many locks I have. I'm not sure if she's counting. I'm not sure, but yeah. If not, I'll just count myself. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So this is day 2 of my Sisterlock install, and this is what my hair is currently looking like. Um, so I went to sleep and just put my bonnet on because I didn't get any special instructions yet. So, um, so this is what they look like. I just got out the shower, and this is what this side is looking like. It's like you have it's like natural hair, just like shrinkage everywhere. So, but yeah, this is the top part that she has left, and then she'll do the back today. But yeah, this is day 2 of my journey, and so far so good. I'm assuming she's gonna tell me, like, today how to maintain it, and what to do as far as like if I need to like braid it, keep it braided or whatever, or so we'll see. But yeah, about to get dressed. Have to get my daughter up today. Have to drop her off before I go. So I'm about to finish getting dressed, and I will see you guys when I get there. And then, yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there. All right, see you later. Hey guys, so I'm back with the final results. So, this is the final results. I got done today at 6:42. So in total, it took 17 hours and 12 minutes, and that's including breaks for both days or whatever. But yeah, this is my hair, guys. It's short. It's short. It's short. It's short. But yeah, this is it. And how she did my problem area at the top. This is my problem area I was telling you guys about. So she didn't lock this area. She said she want to wait for the hairs to grow back, and then she's gonna lock that area. But yeah, that's my problem area. That so just prayerfully, I'm just gonna try to like massage it, and like I have these oils that I've been buying to help grow it back, and yeah. So hopefully, if you guys have any ideas or suggestions, please let me know. But yeah, so this is my hair. This is the side. This is the sides, and this is the back. I'm gonna turn around. I'm in the bathroom, so, and that's another problem area here. But yeah, this is the back of my hair. So yeah, the back of my hair. So yeah. So yeah, this is it. I am officially Sisterlocks. Sisterlock. What do you call it? Is there a name for it? I don't know. But I'm officially on my lock journey, and I'm gonna keep you guys, or bring you guys along with me on this journey. And I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm excited. So, yeah. But yeah, this is it. And I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Bye.